Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file. They need the outside corners have a little bit of a fillet and the inside corners to be square. And this is a way to send me a file. First of all, send me a Corel file. And then I would have known what they were talking about regardless just by the email, but it helps. Now, if we grab the shape tool and click on a line, this is just one broken line. So it's made up of a bunch of lines. So I'm going to change my nudge factor to, let's go to 4 inches. And I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to nudge it over. So now I have all my lines are together now. So just remember Shift key and Alt key. Get your shape tool. It automatically kind of selects it, but marquee around them and selecting them all. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Maybe you can see this better. So I'm going to select them all, but then I'm going to hold down the Shift and the Alt. The Shift is going to deselect them. Basically, and the Alt key is actually making that lasso. So I'm just taking my mouse and just moving that around. And if you happen to miss one, you can always go back. So now we only have the outside blue, which are selected. We're going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and 0.01 fillet, and there you have it. So now the outside corners have a little rounded, this is almost like a gear, so it'll run smoother. Now, like I said, if you happen to miss one, so let's select them all again, hold down the Shift and the Alt, and I'm going to miss that one right there, or I did on purpose, but if you accidentally do it, you could go back, still hold down those two keys. You could do them individually. You could reselect them or deselect them. That's what the Shift key does. Now we got all the outside marked, and there you go. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.